Bonjour, messieurs, mesdames, mesdemoiselles. Aujourd'hui, on va parler de l'accord des adjectifs. So today we're going to talk about agreement of adjectives. Okay, this is a level 1 class. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Uh, Before we start, let me talk about the adjectives, what adjectives are, right? So we know adjectives are words that describe noun and pronoun, and they are either masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. And the masculine adjective I use with masculine noun, as well as feminine adjective I use with feminine noun or pronouns. Okay, so in French, it's very important that we understand that most adjectives follow the noun. Okay, there are also adjectives that precede the noun. Those are adjectives of beauty, age, goodness, and size. They go right before the noun, but most of them goes after the noun. So here we have an example such as the one is yeah. Monsieur Blot est un prof intelligent. Here is a man, so Monsieur Blot est un prof intelligent. So Monsieur is masculine. Okay, and if you look at the bottom, Madame Thibault est une prof intelligente. Madame Thibault est une prof intelligente. So you will notice here that to form the feminine, we just add an e to the intelligent, right? So intelligent became intelligente. Okay, so that's how you form most of the feminine adjective from masculine. All right. So we add an e to the masculine adjective to make it feminine. Thierry est un élève diligent. Latifa est une élève diligente. Okay. So now it's really really important that we understand that if the masculine adjective already has an e at the end, you just leave it as is for feminine, so you don't add anything. Mon frère est timide. Ma sœur est timide. Notice mon frère ends with e already, and my sœur stays the same, right? Timide, timide, because it ends with the e already, as it says here. Um, some common adjective like beau precede the noun. Okay, beau is beauty, right? I talked to you previously about it. So beau precedes the noun. But beau here is very irregular. I usually talk about those as irregular. So beau becomes belle in feminine form. However, if it's masculine, but you start with a vowel sound, it's not you don't add an e to it, it becomes a bell, right? It can become bel. So you notice bow before a masculine start with a consonant, but now if it's masculine start with a vowel sound, we have to make it bell, 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 bel. Beau garçon, you notice here beau garçon. Garçon starts with a consonant here, so it's a regular form of beau. But now if you have étudiant, étudiant is also a boy. Étudiant means student, but because it starts with a vowel sound, it's gonna be bel. Hopefully you all understand that. And the feminine version is belle fille. Voilà une belle fille, a pretty girl. So handsome, handsome, pretty. Okay. So if the masculine adjective ends with EUX, the feminine will be EUSE. It's kind of irregular here. So EUX, the X becomes SE. And as an example, we're going to have généreux et généreuse. Okay, Sébastien est généreux, Sandrine est généreuse. SE for the female, X for the masculine. Okay, if the adjective describe plural noun, so we need to make sure that the adjective is also plural. So if the adjective describe a plural noun, we have to make sure the adjective is plural as well. And to make it plural, most adjectives in French we add an s, as I say. Okay, so we add s to make it plural. We add an s to most adjectives to make it plural. And for the level 1 at this point, this is what we're going to learn about the agreements of adjectives. So thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.